What's up everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. EMT here, and in this video, short and sweet video, we're actually talking about sports mode. The Hohem iSteady M6, one of my favorite gimbals of 2023 and 2024, has an awesome sports mode. Now you do have follow speed and motor response settings, so you can fine tune the way your gimbal reacts, but upon engaging on the sports mode, you're going to be able to achieve a lot quicker, a lot faster response in your panning and tilting and just pretty much any kind of motion you're trying to capture. Now, in order to quickly engage sports mode, simply engage the trigger on your Hohem iSteady M6 and hold it down until you see the S for sports mode. So we took the Hohem iSteady M6 out for a spin with the help of my good friend Nicole Fiore, which happens to be a 4-time roller skate world champion. And on top of that, as a bonus, we actually introduced Nicole Fiore to the AI tracking capabilities of the Hohem iSteady M6, and she was blown away. You're going blind, but you're going ultra wide now. And then what I think you should do is hold on the trigger and do that thing again.
Hold this down?
Yeah, hold the trigger down until it says S. And then now it's in sports mode. Wasn't that incredible? It's so cool to see the Hohem iSteady M6 follow Nicole with the AI tracking module, no matter what happens, going left, going right, being able to start, stop recording. Huge shout out to Nicole and Taylor Fiore. The link to their YouTube channels are down in the description. Go give them some love. Now, if you were wondering how we were able to capture ultra wide video without the motor showing and without flipping the phone around, we started by removing this motor out of the way. And you could do that by clicking on the trigger 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that automatically removes the motor out of the way, so if you're filming with the ultra wide angle lens, your motor doesn't show in the frame. We also rotated 180 degrees so we can record ourselves with the ultra wide camera. And you can achieve this by triple clicking on that same trigger. 1, 2, 3. And now you can vlog with the better cameras on your smartphone, which are the rear facing cameras. And if you ever want to record what's in front of you, once again, just triple click 1, 2, 3 on that trigger and you're back. Sports mode is amazing for fast-paced sports, but also for creative angles and shots. If you're trying to create a swooping POV shot or an underslung shot that's capturing children, pets, skating, don't forget to press and hold the trigger in order to engage sports mode, and feel free to turn your camera 180 degrees and even move the motor out of the way just so it doesn't show with your ultra wide angle cameras. I hope this video was useful and helping you get the most out of your Hohem iSteady M6. And if you create any videos with the Hohem iSteady M6, leave them down in the description so we can all check them out. But I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create content for you If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a sub. And as always, all the links to Hohem gear as well as everything I use is down in the description. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.